Good morning, friends. Welcome to Indian Travel Online. Friends, Indian Travel Online offers best tour itinerary Delhi, Agra, and Amritsar tour package. On first day, meet and assistant on arrival at a Delhi airport, railway stations. Our company person proceed for same day trip to Agra. Visiting Agra Fort and Taj Mahal, evening time, return back to Delhi, and overnight stay at Delhi. Friends, on second day, early morning transfer by surface to Amritsar. On reaching Amritsar, directly transfer to Wagah border visit. Later transfer to the hotels, evening visit the Golden Temples. The famous Sikh pilgrimage places and other interesting sight, and evening time come back to hotels and overnight stay at Amritsar. On third day, after breakfast, visit Golden Temple, also called as Harminder Sahib, Jallianwala Bagh and Maharaja Ranjit Singh Summer Palace Museum. In the heart of Rambagh, Amritsar. In the evening, return back to the hotels for overnight stay at Amritsar. Friends, on 4 days, early morning, drive back to Delhi. Upon arrival, transfer to Delhi airport or railway stations for onward your journey. Friends, if you want any information for this package, you can also book customized packages also we have available, and our company person explain everything about this tour package. Thank you. Goodbye.